Cashmere is known as one of the softest and most luxurious fibers in the world. But what many people don't know is that cashmere doesn't come from cutting or shaving goats. It comes from a natural and gentle process. Cashmere goats grow 2 layers of hair. An outer layer of coarse hair protects them from wind and rain. Beneath it, they grow a fine, soft undercoat that keeps them warm during harsh winters. When spring arrives and temperatures rise, goats naturally begin to shed this soft undercoat. This is the moment cashmere is collected. Instead of shearing, farmers carefully comb the goats by hand. Special wide-toothed combs are used to gently remove only the loose, downy fibers. The process is slow, calm, and completely painless. A single goat produces only 100 to 200 grams of usable cashmere each year. That's why cashmere is rare and valuable. After collection, the raw fibers are cleaned to remove dust and grease. They are then sorted by hand to separate the soft undercoat from the coarse guard hairs. Only the finest fibers move on. Next comes washing, drying, and spinning, where the fibers are transformed into incredibly soft yarn. This yarn is later woven or knitted into scarves, sweaters, and blankets known for their warmth and lightness. Good cashmere production depends on animal welfare. Healthy goats grow better fibers, and careful herders understand this balance. When done responsibly, cashmere harvesting works with nature, not against it. No harm, no force, just patience, timing, and respect. That softness you feel in cashmere isn't just luxury, it's the result of a gentle tradition passed down for generations.